Hey, my name is Aziz Gazipura, and with the help of Laura and John from the Pain Care Clinic, I went from stuck and in pain and afraid of that pain to feeling fully strong in my body, able to do anything I want, running, lifting, throwing my kids on the bed, wrestling, what you name it, and having total certainty that the pain's not going to just come out of nowhere and get me again. And to me, that's more valuable than even being able-bodied. It's that I'm not afraid of the pain in the future, and that's very exciting. So the short version of my story is that I started having chronic pain at the age of 15, moved to all different parts of my body, was diagnosed with an autoimmune condition called Ankylosing spondylitis, and I was stuck with that for many, many years. Somewhere in my early 30s, I discovered the work of Dr. John Sarno and the mind-body connection, and did a ton of reading and work on my own, and was able to overcome a lot of stuff, but not the core pain that started when I was 15 years old. And that diagnosis that was in my head, there's something terribly wrong with me. It's an autoimmune condition. It's real. It's biological. And with the help of Laura and John, I was able to see through all of that and see what was really true, which is that tension was creating my pain, emotions were creating my pain, and I didn't have to find some deep, dark secret in my psyche and spend years in therapy to find that out. I was trying. I was in therapy looking for the deep, dark secrets from my childhood, and they helped me see in just a few sessions that it was about moment-to-moment tension, where I was being perfectionistic and how to let it go, where I was being afraid of what other people thought and how to let it go, and how to really start to take care of myself and put my decisions, my lifestyle first. And they recommended some great reading and some resources, and most importantly, provided unwavering certainty of like, oh yeah, you can solve this. You can get through this. And their stories, their personal stories, which they're very forthcoming with, are very inspiring. Laura's especially, having her overcome an autoimmune condition, rheumatoid arthritis. And I was like, well, if she can overcome rheumatoid arthritis, I can overcome this ankylosing spondylitis, which now when I realized is never what it was. It was just a misdiagnosis. And now I'm free, and I am absolutely forever grateful to John and Laura and the Pain Care Clinic. So if you're in any way considering reaching out, is it worth it? Will it help? I can just say from my experience, the amount of time and money that I put into it was this big, and what I got out is so big it wouldn't even fit on this screen or in this entire room. So thank you again, John and Laura, and I encourage you to reach out, take that next step, and transform your life and be pain-free. It's possible, and it's as good as you would imagine.